Hey everyone, today in this tutorial we are going to fix OBS Game Capture black screen. It's a very common problem. What you can do is you can simply close exit like this and the OBS Studio do a right click on that and run as administrator and then say yes. See if that works for you. Alright, you can try that. And if that doesn't work, then I would recommend to select right. For most of us, are not selecting the right window here. So under source tab right here, select the game capture and from here, capture any full screen application. You can try that. However, the best way is to select the capture specific window. Once you do that, do the right side and select from the drop down whatever you want to. Right. Select that and in this manner, currently the notepad is open, that's why it's showing like this. However, if you're opening a game, it should right here. It should be here in the option. Once you do that, guys, then do the start streaming. It should work for you. And if that doesn't, do a right click, go to device manager, and under graphics, display adapters, try to update the driver like this. If that doesn't, update your windows and check the graphics, whatever the graphics you have here, take out the name and search it to the manufacturer website. If you're using NVIDIA, go to the NVIDIA website. You already know the name and you can update that. All right. For most of us, that screen fix will do. Do let me know which fix has been done. Which step has been helpful for you. I'll be glad if you do so. All right. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.